Hey everyone, Marc Saltzman here with a few of my favorite tech items for the 2018 holidays. Whether you're looking to gift a gadget to a loved one, or maybe you're treating yourself to a new tech toy, here are a half dozen highlights for me. Also, remember to protect your devices and yourself, visit getcybersafe.ca to get some great tips with the Get Cybersafe gift guide. Alright, if you love music, Google Home Max is a great sounding wireless speaker that also has Google Assistant built in. So you can ask for one of tens of millions of songs tied to your favorite streaming services, or give a command like turn up the thermostat or turn off the lights and so on. Expect great sound with Google Home Max. Next up, for book lovers, Kobo released its top-of-the-line Kobo Forma. It's the latest e-reader from the company. It's the largest and lightest 8-inch screen ebook reader around, and it doesn't only have a backlight so you can read in bed without disturbing your partner, but it also has an anti-blue light filter so it won't keep you up, and it also is waterproof so you can slip into the bath or take it to the beach or by the pool as well. Now, for TV fans who appreciate art, the aptly named The Frame by Samsung is a stunning 4K TV, but when you're not watching TV shows, movies, or sports, it displays more than 850 pieces of high-res artwork, or you can import your own, of course. Optional bezels add wooden borders to the TV and other materials as well in different colors, and you get one for free if you purchase the TV before May. Again, that's Samsung's The Frame. Now, if you're in the market for a smartwatch, I love the new Apple Watch Series 4 GPS and cellular watch. It has everything found in its waterproof predecessor. It's got Siri support. You can make payments via Apple Pay by tapping on one of those contactless terminals. It's got fitness detection and optional cellular connectivity for about $10 a month. But Apple Watch now offers fall detection and an emergency SOS feature which can call 911 and notify your emergency contacts if it detects a sudden drop. Unlocked soon is an integrated electrocardiogram, or ECG, to detect a dangerously high, low, or irregular heart rate. Very cool stuff, the new Apple Watch. Now, for gamers, the PlayStation 4 1 terabyte console offers a lot of bang for the buck. It's the #1 selling console worldwide, has many exclusive games like Marvel's Spider-Man, amazing game, and of course others like God of War. It's got an integrated Blu-ray player, you can stream Netflix, and a lot more. Another retro gift idea is the PlayStation Classic console. It's a miniature replica of the original Sony PlayStation, but it has 20 classics preloaded, including Final Fantasy VII, Metal Gear Solid, and the original Grand Theft Auto, where it looks like little cars driving around. Cool stuff. Finally, if you're in the market for a smartphone, I love the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. It's powered by the world's first 7nm chipset on an Android phone, the Kirin 980, which delivers incredibly fast performance. This phone has a massive 42 milliamp battery as well that supports wireless reverse charging, so it'll enable it to double as a power bank for other devices that need a charge up. There's also an in-screen fingerprint reader, phenomenal cameras with Leica lenses, and expandable memory. Again, that's the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Alright, regardless of what you're buying this holiday season, be sure to visit getcybersafe.ca to get some great tips on protecting your devices and your data. I'm Marc Saltzman. Thanks for watching and wishing you and your family a happy and healthy and cyber-safe holiday season.